What's up everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we're going to do a reaction video for UE Pep Squad for the Season 87 of the AAP Cheer Dance Competition. Grabe, balita ko ay nag-spaghetting pataas at pababa ang UE at ito ay approved na approved kay Sex Bomb Rochelle, diba? Grabe, ang ganda nga ng routine daw ng UE Pep Squad this year. At medyo merong mga na they deserve to be in the podium this year, pero nakita natin sa score sheet na pang-apat sila guys at konti lang ang lamang ng FEU cheering squad sa kanila. So tignan natin ano ba ang pinakita ng UE this year. But before proceed guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is guys. Ay, ganda ng outfit din nila, red and black. And shout out to Talented Pinoys for uploading this. Ito yung naka-wide angle guys, grabe, panoorin sa channel niya. Kitang-kita lahat ng galaw. Fairness, ang strong ng tumbling ng UE. Wait guys, to be honest, now, I've been watching UAAP Cheer Dance Competition. Sobrang paborito namin to ng ex ko. Charit, tong ex ko, nabanggit ko ba na shoutout sa'yo. Alam ko nanood ka ng Cheer Dance. Charit. Pero, laging inaabangan lang namin dati, UST, UP, yan. Kasi yun talagang FEU, yun yung yung talagang alam natin na kaabang-abang yung performance. But I must say, UE throughout the years, talagang pagaling ng pagaling at nalalapit na talaga ang kanilang pagbabalik sa podium. So, nakaka-excite for UE. Well, na-share ko lang. Charit. Fairness. Ang ganda ng hairstyle nila pang sex bomb. Galing yun. Double twist din sila. Sabay-sabay din yung bagsak. Ang ganda ng precision nila, pati mga toss, tapos double twist. In fairness naman, kabog, UE, rewind, kabog. Opening pyramid. Rewind. Pa! Ang strong. Ang ganda nga. Ang linis ng routine. Hold on guys dun sa opening stunts na yon, sobrang linis. Nakita nyo naman walang nag-wobble. The transition was so smooth. At ang strong ng mga double stunts, ng mga double twist, plus the tumbling. Sobrang approved. My God, UE. Konting-konti na lang talaga nasa podium na kayo. Si Next Bomb tayo this year. Get. Iba yun. That is something new for UE. Nakita niyo yung chicken walk or duck walk, kung anumang walk yun in the sky while tossing. Galing. At in fairness sa dance nila, laban bawi. Kabog. Ganda ng floor dance. Kabog. Ganda. Sex bomb. Nakakatawa, very nostalgia. Galing nun. That was so good. I-give natin yan sa UE guys. Itaktak mo. Ay, ang strong ng double stunts nila guys. Alam mo yung binababa, nag-split tapos aangat ulit. Give natin yan sa UE. Double twist. So, ang ganda ng transition nila. Oops! Still, ang linis. Hindi obvious yung wobble na yun Pag wide angle talaga, you can see everybody. Diba? Ito yung maganda kapag sa TV kasi may mga close-up shots UE! Kabog, clap-clap yun. Pak! Pak! Uy, ang galing nung nasa center ngayon. Pak! Pak! O si Akla Pak! Paddy Bray, charit. Hello kayo, Ube! Ang ganda guys, grabe, ang linis. Alam mo, very minimal error. Kung meron man, hindi ko masyadong napapansin. Naka-wide tayo dito, view. And we can see each and everybody kung paano nila ginagawa yung routine. Sobrang minimal, hindi siya obvious dun sa nanonood. And balikan natin yung part na yun, sobrang ganda. So, yung transition nila, yan the crowd, you can hear the crowd guys. Naglipat pa. Pak! And split. Ibaliktad nyo. Pak! Galing mo. Wait lang guys. Ang ganda ng pyramid transition na yon. Alam niyo yung lumipat from top, lumipat, in-split, pinaligtad, binalik, tapos nag-pyramid. Ganon daw yun, sabi ng UE. I-give natin sa UE yan. Balikan pa natin. Ito, ayan ililipat. Pak, i-split, ibabaligtad, tapos tumayo, tapos another one. Pak, rewind. Galing nun. UE must be so proud of this performance. I think this is one of the best. Kasi ang linis. And the dance. Sex bomb talaga. May pa-change outfit din ang mga sex bomb natin. Baile. Ito yung split na yun. Ang taas din yung toss nila. Grabe. Give natin yun sa kanila guys. Double twist tapos pa-split sa ere. Rewind. Rewind. Oh my gosh. Wait lang, balikan natin yung guys. Nakita nyo? Iba yung bilis ng transition, pagpapalit, and the pyramid. Pak! Tapos bababa ulit. May dalawa pa nga akit. Pak! Tatlo pala. Pabog yun. Rewind. Kung medyo tinagalan pa nila yun, baka nakuha nila tong second runner-up guys. Grabe. Laban bawi. Ang cute. Kabog. Warriors. Nag-headbang talaga si ate. Pak. Yun pala yung dulo. there you have it, guys. That is UE Pep Squad. Oh my God, grabe, congratulations UE. Hindi nyo man nakuha ang isang spot sa podium this year. Talaga naman, alam nyo na you did your best this year. At ang ganda ng routine nyo, ang ganda ng transition, ang linis, very minimal error. Yung huling-huli lang, no, hindi pala nila na pull off ng bonggang-bongga yung final pyramid kasi nalaglag agad. But still, hindi siya, hindi masyadong obvious kung hindi mo siya panonoorin ulit. 'Di ba? Kasi nakita mo yung dulo na yun, but still, they made it. Ang ganda, nostalgia, the theme, the sex bomb theme, tapos yung pagpapalit ng damit, sobrang ganda. So, nakita nga natin sa score sheet na parang konti lang talaga, parang less than 10 points lang yung lamang ng FEU sa UE this year. So, konting push lang talaga, konting pa-wow factor pa. For sure, baka nasungkit nila ang second runner-up this year. But, of course, I know that UE is still proud of what they did this year and they will come back stronger next year, diba? Kaya naman sabi nyo, guys, you can comment down below. And of course, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.